Hello! In this video, we are going to show how exponential graphs relate to science in radioactive decay, also known as half-life. Half-life is the amount of time it takes for a radioactive element to decay by half its initial amount. Go.
The equation of half-life is y equals a times 1/2 to the power of t divided by h. Y is end mass, a is initial mass, t is time passed, h is half-life.
This is a half-life graph. It is modeled by exponential decay.
Many elements undergo radioactive decay, but a very special one is carbon-14 because it is used in carbon dating. Carbon dating estimates how long a living organism has been dead by comparing the amount of carbon-14 in a dead organism to the amount in a living organism. All living organisms have the same ratio of carbon-12 to carbon-14 in their tissue. When an organism dies, the carbon-14 in its tissue starts to decay, and the ratio of carbon-12 to carbon-14 changes. Scientists can measure the percent of carbon-14 and use this equation to find its age. In this equation, T equals the time since the fossil died, x over 100 equals the ratio of carbon-12 to carbon-14, and T1/2 is the half-life.
Go.
Example time. First, we rewrite the original equation. Following that, we will substitute in 35 in place of x and 5,730 in place of T1/2. Now we can simplify the equation down to 1.5149 times 5,730. This, of course, equals 8,680.
Now here's a real-life example. In 1947, a young shepherd discovered a cave. In there, he found 2 scrolls, written in the time of Jesus. These are known as the Dead Sea Scrolls. Scientists have carbon dated them to about 2,100 years back. These are the second oldest forms of literature from the area. Now we are going to reverse this process and find out how much carbon the scientists found in the scrolls.
First, we will substitute 2,100 years for T and 5,730 years for T1/2. Next, we will divide both sides by 5,730. From there, we will multiply both sides by negative 0.693. Now we can change it into exponential form. Finally, we can multiply both sides by 100 to find the ratio of carbon-14 to carbon-12. This is 77.569. That means there's 77.569% of the carbon-14 left.